Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you how to buy Robux on Roblox account. When you launch your app like this, you see on your right hand side corner top, you see there's a search bar. There's some diamond arrow there, and there's a bell. So you click on that diamond, the one in the middle. You click on it. You see balance 0 Robux. See your balance is 0. See your balance is 0. So you buy from Roblox. So let me show you here. First one, you have $199 is equal to 22,500 Robux. So the amount in dollars plus the Robux account or Robux balances. So let's buy one. So you choose the one you can afford. So let's afford 40 Robux. So the 40 Robux equal to 0.49 cent dollars. So let's buy the 40 Robux. You click on 40. Yes, it's loading. Here, let me show you something here. In every country has its method of buying the Roblox account. Some use PayPal, and no, PayPal is the most popular in the world. But some use Gcash, some use debit card, some use credit card, some use mobile wallet. So the one you can afford, you choose. If you want to use your debit card or credit card, you fill in the info here. Or if you want to use cash or mobile wallet to buy, you have Telecel. In some country it's called Vodafone. So here you want to use card, you fill in your info. After you finish your info, you go to save card. After that, you can purchase your Roblox account. You see 10 CD top. You see the amount they have converted into CD. 10 CD equal to 40 Robux. So after you finish filling the forms, you click save and you click buy. When you finish, it will ask you to input your password. So you enter your password. When you enter your password, it will come verify, and you verify it, and you go back, on top here, you see the amount you purchasing here. So this is how you buy Roblox account. Kindly subscribe to the channel. See you next time.